Hello everyone. In this video, I'll talk about a very important and massive airdrop. Let's get started. Are you preparing for the Scroll airdrop? Scroll is one of the leading Layer 2 projects and will launch its own token in the future. The Scroll team will distribute a portion of the tokens they release as airdrop rewards to users. With a valuation reaching $1.8 billion, the Scroll airdrop could indeed be significant. To benefit from Scroll's airdrop rewards, you need to be a Scroll user. Let me remind you of the ZKSYNC video I talked about earlier. ZKSYNC is a statistics page where you can see how much activity you have on which network and your ranking on the network. For example, these statistics are from my base network. I'm improving my wallet every day for the upcoming base airdrop, and I'm doing the same for Scroll. Every transaction I make on the Scroll network, every NFT I mint, and every day I log in will be advantageous for me. If you want to add the Scroll network to your MetaMask wallet, you can do so from a trusted site. I use the chainlist.org site when adding networks. To access the Scroll network, you need to have some funds in your MetaMask wallet. You can use the main bridge or other platforms for this. Those who don't want to use the main bridge can send assets from any network to the Scroll network using the Owlto site. Owlto Bridge is a bridge I trust. I'll leave the link in the description. However, my preference at the moment is the main bridge. I want to use the main bridge on this site because using the main bridge can be an important criterion. To use the main bridge, you need to have some Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet. I have some Ethereum in my wallet. I'm going to send Ethereum from the Ethereum network to the Scroll network. I want to send approximately $46 worth of Ethereum, and I learned that I'll pay around $7 in fees. The fee is high because the network is congested. You can try again when the network is not busy. After clicking the Deposit Funds button, I need to confirm the MetaMask notification. I confirm it. Now I have to wait a bit. This process may take 15 to 20 minutes. After the transaction is completed, you'll be able to see your Ethereum in the Scroll network in your MetaMask wallet. Now, you're ready to perform tasks. You can see existing applications on the Scroll network on ZKSYNC. The more transactions you make using these applications, the more progress you'll make on the Scroll network. However, it may not be a good idea to trust or connect your wallet to all the applications here without suspicion. Only use applications you trust, and those with high liquidity. I'll leave the link to all the applications I've used so far and haven't had any issues with in the description of the video. Let me also tell you what to do with these applications. Let's say you have some Ethereum on the Scroll network and you want to make a transaction. I'm going to sync swap. I'll connect my wallet here and make a swap transaction on this application. I choose the USDT and Ethereum pair for the swap. I specify a small amount and complete the swap transaction. That's it. This small transaction I made proved my activity on the Scroll network and provided me with transaction volume. For higher volume, you can make higher swap transactions. Also, selecting different crypto pairs will provide you with different contract addresses. After you make the transaction, it will immediately appear in the ZKSYNC statistics. This may not work in some applications, but generally ZKSYNC shows you the transactions you've made. These applications not only offer swap transactions. If you wish, you can provide liquidity to pools or perform other transactions. You can make your own decision based on your budget. Ambient is another application where you can perform many transactions. You can also swap from here and lock your money in pools. Another example? SushiSwap. You can use this application to make swap or stake transactions. There are many sites and applications that support the Scroll network. The applications you see on the screen offer various services. Some offer swaps, some bridges, some NFT minting, and some liquidity provision. You can prepare for the Scroll airdrop by using the applications you trust. You can find the links to the sites and applications I use in the description of my video. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you want more videos about the Scroll network, please like the video and let me know in the comments that you want more Scroll videos. See you in the next video.